Step into the 2003 Chevrolet Tahoe LT if you are looking for a first-rate auto. This one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are running boards, front suspension classification, independent, front suspension type, double wishbones, suspension front spring type, torsion bars, suspension rear coil springs, air conditioning, front automatic climate control, air conditioning, front, dual zones, air conditioning, rear end air conditioning, rear, automatic climate control. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.